I want to show you a fully solid rubber ramps, textured here on the top. The reason why I got these, well, for multiple reasons actually. These are about 8 inches this way and about 36 inches this way. And it's got a 1.5 inch rise right here. Starts all the way down, way down to like, I don't know, 3/16 of an inch up to 1.5 inches. Now these can handle 2,200 pounds, solid rubber. And you can, if you had to, you can use a utility knife and cut these and shorten them up if you needed. Now I ended up buying two of them because, as you can see behind me, this is my enclosed trailer, and when the ramp comes down, it had a fold out 7-inch lip made out of 3/4 ply and one big long hinge. Well, I kept using it, and it just finally the hinge warped and broke, and I took that lip off. And right now what I'm doing, I'm going to use these ramps right here at the edge and replace that fold out piece of wood. And I bought two because I put cars in this, and I'm just going to fold the door down and then just place the rubber ramp right here. Now, again, this is only 7 inches, so this isn't going to work for everything I do, but I also am going to do it this way. So now I'm going to do something like this. If I need to have a longer ramp, now I have support under the ramp. Now, of course, I'll probably be out on asphalt or a level ground. This here is pretty unlevel ground, but this way, this gap carrying all the weight will be forced down on the rubber ramp, and that ramp can match the angle. Now, so if I'm on flat ground, it's going to be a heck of a lot easier to put that in the right spot. But that's just a couple ideas for these ramps. Let me show you some others. Here's another idea where I'll have a use for it, for some of the things that I just need to roll in by hand. You can see the gap, this distance here between my floor of my garage to the approach. So occasionally I need a simpler way to get something up in here. If it's something that I'm pulling on a dolly, or whether somebody handicapped had that needed access to get to their car, whatever. It's another perfect use, and I just like, because these feather down so low, down to that 3/16 of an inch. Now this one's up to 1.5 inches. They have other thicknesses available. I think this is the tallest 1.5 inches, but you know, that's enough for me to roll something up into the garage. Takes care of that problem.